Dear viewers, welcome to all of you in Basic Piping and Welding course class. So today I am going to be start Basic of Piping and Welding lecture 12. So in this lecture I will try to share with you some information related to the welding, what is the welding, types of weld, types of joint, weld joint preparation. So we were planning to give a CCIP and AWS exam. So for this type of people, this lecture will be more effective. And others people also you will get some information in this lecture. So basically in this lecture I will try to explain you what is the welding, types of welding, and weld joint preparation. Before I have uploaded in my YouTube channel and Facebook page up to lecture 11. So from lecture 1 to lecture 11 basically I discuss about the related to the piping. So in this lecture I will try to share with you some information about the welding. So related to the welding, this is the first lectures. So these all lectures you are watching from YouTube channel Nur Mohammad and Facebook page Watch and Learn. If you are new in my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to get the all latest lectures. And you can follow my Facebook page Watch and Learn to get the all updated lectures. So let's see what we have in our today lectures. So today lectures we will start from welding. So what is welding? So let's see what is welding. Welding is a fabrication process that joins two or more parts of material together, usually metals or thermoplastics, by using heat to melt the parts together and following them to cool and causing fusion. So basically welding we any material, two material or more than two material we join together. So this joining process actually is the welding. So welding can be the fusion and non-fusion welding also. So another one you see the below. Welding is distinct from lower temperature metal joining techniques such as brazing and soldering, which is not melt the base metal. That means brazing and soldering also this is also metal joining techniques, but these techniques actually base metal not melt. So from this definition we can say the type of welding is the two type of welding. One is the fusion welding and another one is the non-fusion welding. So actually welding have the so many process. So about the process we will discuss we will discuss series lectures. So another thing is the what is weld. So a weld is a union of piece of metal made by welding. So this is the one piece of metal whatever actually the made by welding. So another one is the what is joint. So joint is a configuration of members. So I tell you that two members should be available to joint. So this is the configuration of members. So this is the weld joint. So I will show you the what is the weld, what is the joint, what is the type. I will try to discuss in this lecture. So types of weld, if we consider the types of weld, we see the first is the butt welds. So this is the butt welds. Then second is the fillet weld. So you can see here is the fillet weld. Third is the spot or seam welds. So you see the figure. So this is the spot or seam weld. So another one in plug and slot welds. So you see the figure is the right side. This is the plug and slot weld. So actually this is the one part make the plug or slot, then welding is inside. So edge weld. So you can see the edge weld. This is the edge welds. So types of joint, butt joint actually we can see from here the butt joint. So another one is the T joint. So before I show you the what is the weld, now I show you the what is the joint. So this is the butt joint. So configuration is here. So this is the T joint. Then lap joint, you can see from here the lap joint. So this is the lapping on metal and the metal lapping. So we need to welding here. So this is the lap joint. Then the corner joint, you can see from these photos the corner joint. Actually this is the closed corner, this is the open corner. So here this is the corner joints. So next slide you can see the lap joint. So this is the fillet oil lap joint, this is the spot oil lap joint. Both also lap joint, but joint type is different. This is the fillet oil type, this is the lap spot oil type. Then weld preparation. So actually we need to remember the purpose of weld preparation is to allow access for the welding process, penetration and fusion through the area of the joint and its faces. So what is the purpose of weld preparation? So we should have the welding, access the welding process, then penetration should be come out and fusion also is there. So these are the things we need to consider for during the weld preparation. So the basic rule in this, you need to take remember also, the more you take out, then the more you must put back in. That means if during welding preparation, if you do the more bevel preparation or something, then you need to refill this all the space by filler metal. So that means if you take out more, that means you need to put back in more. So these major effects on economics and distortion control, etc. The root face, root gap and angle of bevel bellows, the choice of angle or double side preparation are dictated only by the type of welding process, the position and accessibility of the joint. So the weld preparation time you need to consider this. Then the weld preparation. So you can see this figure, this is the weld preparation. So this is the butt joint weld preparation. So you can see the angle of bevel. So this is called bevel angle. The number 2, the included angle. So if you consider this is the bevel angle, so 2 bevel angle, this is the included bevel angle. So this is actually then third is the root gap. So you need to keep the root gap in between gap, otherwise penetration cannot come out. So you should keep the root gap. So root face, so you can see here the root face. Then another one is the root radius. So if we do the J type or U type preparation, this is the root radius. Then this is the root landing. So the J type preparation here have the root landing. So actually this preparation we need to follow as per WPS. WPS will be clearly mentioned what will be the root bevel angle, what will be the root gap, and what will be the root face and root radius, everything. So these are the things we need to follow the WPS. So when we go for work, we need to get the project approved WPS, and during preparation we should follow the WPS. So related to the WPS, I will make another lectures. I will show you how to choose the WPS and how you will implement in on site. So in this slide we try to understand the types of single butt preparation. So you see the single bevel. So this bevel is the single side. So this is called single bevel. This is the second is the single B. So this single bevel, two bevel become a single B. You can see the shape is B. So this is the single J. You can see here the one side is the J. So this is the English letter J, same J. So this is called the single J. So another one is the U. So when two side will be the J and this side also, then this will become a U. So this is the single U butt preparation. So double butt preparation, you can see from here double bevel. So you see this is the one side and this is the another side. So this is the called double bevel. Then double B, you can see from these photos. So this is the B and another also B. So this is called the double B or double bevel. Then the double J, you can see this side also J, this is J. So this is the called the double J and W. So you see from this photo, this is the W. So this is all the double butt preparation you can see from this all the pictures. I hope you understand what I mean. If you still have doubts, please ask me in comment section. I will try to reply your comments. So up to now you see the type of weld. Now we are going to be discuss the type of weld joints. So this is the butt joints. So this is the butt weld butt joints. This is the fillet weld butt joints. Another is the compound weld butt joints. So this is the configuration of the butt joints. So next one is the T joints. So you can see the T joints. This is the fillet weld T joints. This is the butt weld T joints. And this is the compound welded T joints. So you can see here the fillet weld, butt weld, fillet weld. So this is the compound weld T joints. So another weld joint type is lap joint. You can see the fillet weld lap joint, then spot weld lap joint, then spot and fillet, that means compound weld lap joint. So this is the lap joint configuration. So now we will check the corner joint. What is the corner joint? So from here you can see this is the close corner fillet weld close corner joint. This is the butt weld close corner joint. Then this is the compound weld close corner joint. So compound weld, this is the fillet weld and the butt weld also. So both type of welding, that's why I call the compound welded closed corner joint. The another slide open corner joint, you can see this is the open corner joint. So one side is fillet weld. So this is the inside fillet welded open corner joint. So welding is inside, this is the open corner joint. Then second one is the outside fillet weld open corner joint. So this is the outside fillet weld. Actually this is the open corner, but here is welding done. So outside welded open corner joint. So this is the another one, the double fillet weld open corner joint. So this inside also welded, outside also welded. So this is called double fillet weld open corner joint. So we see here is the one, the welding done, welding completed butt joint. So a butt welded joint, butt welded butt joint. So this is already welded done. So we see from this figure which one called what. So you can see this is the parent material thickness. So parent material thickness. So whatever from parent material to extra. So this is we call the weld face. Weld face. This is the weld face. Then we can see that this is the root. So root come out from base material to come out. So this is the weld root. Then you can see the weld width. So this one actually was the bevel preparation. So here to here is the weld width. So this is the design throat thickness. So design throat thickness means minimum welding will be the parent material thickness. So if parent material is 12 mm, so this will be the 12 mm welding. So after 12 mm we can, this is consider the excess weld metal or reinforcement. So the 1, 2, 3 full weld 2. So this is called the weld 2. This is the face side weld 2. This 2, and this is the root side weld 2. So this is the called the weld 2. So you can see this is the fusion line. So you can see welding joint plus our parent material. So here is the fusion when the welding done. That time this part is fused, and these two after cooling these two adjusted. So this is called the fusion line. You can see from this picture this is called the fusion line. Then fusion zone. So fusion zone also you can see this is the fusion zone. So whatever is fused, there's weld metal plus parent material, this is the called the fusion zone. So heat affected zone. So from the fusion line to this have the specific place, here have the heat affected zone up to how much this is the affected. So this is the heat affected zone. So this is the actual throat thickness. That means actual our base metal thickness plus excess oil metal. So this is the actual throat thickness. So you can see from here to here maximum is the actual throat thickness. So A plus B is the excess oil metal. So I will tell you, this is the A, this is the road side reinforcement, and this is the this is the face side and this is the road side. So B, so A plus B equal to, this is the excess oil metal. So up to now we see the what is the butt joint configuration. Then we go to the fillet oil. So if I go to the fillet oil, then you see this is the weld face. Then this is the vertical leg length. So here to here, this is the leg length, this is the also leg length. So this is the horizontal leg length, this is the vertical leg length. This is for the fillet oil. Then this is the design thread thickness. So from here to here is the design thread thickness. So same at butt joint we can call this is the excess oil metal or reinforcement. So this is the actual thread thickness. So from bottom to top, this is the actual thread thickness. So excess oil metal, I already tell, this is the excess oil metal. You can see in photos, this is the excess oil metal. So that one was the fillet oil configuration. Now we go the nominal and effective thread thickness. What is the nominal thread thickness and what is the effective thread thickness? So you can see the this is the nominal thread thickness. Actual whatever we call the design or something, this is the nominal thread thickness. Then S is the effective thread thickness. So this is the effective thread thickness. So during welding, actually this is not limited to here only. This is the fused and go until the inside. So this is come to the until the inside. This is the effective thread thickness or actual thread thickness. So the deep thread fillet oil from FCW and SAW, etc. So when we do the FCW SAW welding, that time this actually this thread inside go very deep. So this is the deep thread fillet. This is the effective thread thickness. So in this photo you can see the fillet oil profile. So this is the convex, this is the concave, and this is the this is the miter. So you can see this is concave. So concave is you can see from figure, and this is the convex, then this is the concave, and this is the miter. So actually concave is preferred for joint subjected to fatigue loading. So where is the fatigue loading is affected, so that place all time suggest to design suggest and design by concave fillet oils. So what is the fatigue loading? So I will try to discuss this about the fatigue loading in another lectures. So let's see what is our next slide. So this is the summary of lecture. Today lecture summary I give you here. So what is the welding? We already understand. A operation in which two or more parts are united by means of heat, pressure, or both. So what is weld? A union of material. Joint, a configuration of member. Weld preparation, preparing and joint allow access and fusion. Type of weld, so we see the type of weld: butt weld, fillet, spot, seam, plug, slot, edge. We already see in slide. So type of joint, we see the butt joint, T-joint, corner joint, open and close. So for corner joint, open and close, close corner and open corner. Then the preparation terms. So for preparation, bevel, included angle, root, face, gap, length, radius. We already see in before in pictures. Then types of preparation, we see bevels, B, J, U, single and double sided. So you already see in before in slide. So weldment terms. So for weldment terms, we did see weld face, root, fusion zone, and boundary, hedge, weld to weld. So weld sizing for butt, we see the design thread thickness. This is the actual thread thickness, excess oil metal. The weld sizing for fillet also we see design thread thickness, actual thread thickness, excess oil metal, and leg length. So this was the summary for today lectures. So if you have any question about today lecture, please you can ask me in comment section. I will try to answer your question. So I will request you again, if you still not subscribe my YouTube channel and you don't like, you still not follow and like my Facebook page, you can subscribe my YouTube channel to get the all latest lectures, and you can like and follow my Facebook page to get the all update. If you think these lectures all are effective for you friends and effective for you, don't forget to share with your friends, and don't forget to give valuable feedback. So thanks to all for watching full lectures. See you soon in my next lectures. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.